For this example, I'm just going to use a Google slide presentation. So to enter the EquatIO area, hit the EquatIO extension. And next, I'd like you to show how to use the LaTeX Editor. So you could copy right there, and then you're going to see you're going to import LaTeX right here. Now, to get that, you can go to any of your online resources. So for instance, I'm going to use a Think Central sheet right here from the students. And to copy this, I'm going to enter the extension and click on the screenshot reader. And then I'm going to copy the math. And 30. I'm going to pause that, and then I'm going to go to more options, and I'm going to copy LaTeX. Now I'm going to go back to my slide here, and I'm going to paste that there, and you see that it pops up, and then I'm going to insert the math right there. And then what I could do is I could go back here and just copy and paste this stuff. Oops, sorry, right there. Not letting me do it very well, but I could just add instructions right here. So again, all I did was go to the student activity workbook, went right here, used the screenshot editor, and surrounded it.
43 times.
Pause, and then I'm going to hit more options, copy LaTeX. Then I'm going to delete this one right here, add another one, paste it, and insert math. So this is a lot faster than typing all of this stuff in, or even taking screenshots of PDFs and all of that jazz right there. So then again, if I want to, I can put in the instructions. So practice multiplication method, short expanded notation method, anything right there. Okay. Just to show you that it works with even better, bigger things. So I'm going to copy this right now and put that as my instructions right here. And then I'm going to go back to the big ideas, and I'm going to go to the extension, hit the screenshot, and just copy and paste that right there.
5x plus 7.
Copy and go back to my slide, and oops, go down here, clear that out, and paste, and you'll see that, and insert. And there you go. Now you could insert tables and all that to create the right amount of white space, but that's just really easy to do. And it even works for chemical equations. So right here I have an example of a STEM project, and I'm going to go right there and copy that.
Normal H sub.
Copy the LaTeX, go back here, and paste that, and you see that it comes up really nice, and insert it. So everything makes it really easy for the teacher to add that. Now it's an image, so I can expand it, make it bigger, and all that stuff. So it makes it a lot easier for teachers to enter math. Now the other neat thing is that students have this, so they have the ability to do this if you want them to answer back to you. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to fill out the training request form. You can find that using the ClassLink app in our instance.